Well, hello there. Another week, another video. Hope you guys are all well. As you can see, the sneaker gods blessed your boy. The sneakers app blessed your boy. We got the W, thank gods. Here we have the unboxing for the Jordan 1 Dark Mochas. This shoe is amazing. I love this shoe. In my size as well, UK 13. I was on the sneakers app, I was stressing, the 8 o'clock dropped, entered my details, and then I was in the queue for 3 to 4 minutes, and then boom, I see the bottom sign. I was gassed. But there's some details of the shoe. The Dark Mocha heel on the ankle area, sail / that black toe color blocking, classic. As we know, these will look similar to the Travis Scott ones, and people are calling these the Palmer Travis Scotts, but in my opinion these shoes definitely hold their own weight. They can definitely come up against the Travis Scotts, and I don't think it'll be that easy of a battle. Just some footage about me lacing up the shoe just like Mike. So yeah, sit back and enjoy. With the shoe being brown, it's a very wearable colorway. It being a high top as well, I feel like legwear wise shouldn't be too skinny, so I'll let your legwear just drop, just sits on top of the grip, because Jordan ones are a very nice shoe when it comes to their looks with legwear on top of them. Definitely a nice sitter shoe. But yeah man, this shoe, I don't know man, I don't know whether to keep or whether to sell. Prices are still quite strong right now, maybe an extra 100, 120 above retail. I definitely see this shoe rising over time. That could even reach the 400, 450 mark. Like I said, the brown is very wearable. Black laces, comes with another pair of sail laces, the sail upper, and even like the aging midsole. This makes this shoe a classic vintage look. That's definitely the shoe of the year for many, and I can't argue with that. Definitely maybe the Jordan 1 of the year. These are maybe the Dior's, but the shoe is hard. I really did like this shoe. I'm very thankful that I got it for retail. So it's been me, your boy. Hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll catch you next time. Stay blessed.